If you are looking at exercise 3.2, question 2, from your pair of linear equations into variable chapter, you already know it's a classic exam question. It looks long because you have to find x, find y, and then find a third variable m. Step 1 is simple. Write down and label your given equation so you don't lose track of them. Let us label 2x plus 3y equals 11 as equation 1. Then let us label 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24 as equation 2. Our goal with substitution is to use one equation to find a shortcut for either x or y and then plug it into the other. First, let's move plus 3y to the right side. It becomes minus 3y. That gives us 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Now let's move 2 to the right side. It becomes 11 minus 3y by 2. Now we substitute this value of x into equation 2. After replacing x, our new equation will be 2 into 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y, which is equal to minus 24. The 2 in the numerator and the 2 in the denominator cancel out each other completely. That leaves us with a much cleaner line. 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 24. Combine the like terms, that is minus 3y and minus 4y, which gives us as a result of minus 7y. The equation now is 11 minus 7y, which is equal to minus 24. Now let's solve for y. Move 11 to the right side. It becomes minus 11. Minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11. Minus 7y is equal to minus 35. Now let's move 7 to the right side. It becomes y is equal to minus 35 by minus 7. Minus minus cancel each other. Then 7 times 5 is equal to 35. So y is equal to 5. Halfway there. To find x, take this y is equal to 5 and then plug it back to the equation 3. X is equal to 11 minus 3 times 5 by 2. X is equal to 11 minus 15 by 2. X is equal to minus 4 by 2. So the value of x is minus 2. On a graph, these coordinates minus 2 and 5 are exactly where these two straight lines cross each other. Here is a quick tip to avoid losing easy marks. Always completely finish finding x and y before you even touch the final part of the question. Now that we have x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5, we can solve m using the given relationship equation. Y is equal to mx plus 3. Substitutes our value in. Phi is equal to m into minus 2 plus 3. Now move the plus 3 to the left side to isolate our m term. It becomes minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. 2 is equal to minus 2m. Let's move minus 2 to the right side. It becomes 2 by minus 2, which is equal to m. When we divide by 2, it becomes minus 1. And that's it. By systematically setting up your equations, isolating one variable, and substituting it through, you avoid mistakes. Your final answer for the problem are x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5, and m is equal to minus 1. No tricks, just clean steps. If you found this direct breakdown helpful, try the next problem in your textbook using the exact same flow. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.